Welcome to the Faculty 180 training video on faculty input. In this video, I will talk about how to modify your activities in the teaching section. First, when you're on the dashboard, click on the action item to be taken to your activity input form. Your school may allow you to add teaching or courses at any time, so if so, you can click on the activity section on the left. After you've selected the activity input action item, or you've clicked on the activities link on the left side, you'll be brought to your activity input page. At the top, you'll be able to submit for review or save, but if you scroll through the sections, you'll have a variety to choose from. Scroll down and find the teaching section. After you find the teaching section, you will be able to see a table of all of the courses that have currently been uploaded and associated with this semester. If you don't see any courses, your institution has not uploaded any for you. You might be able to click the Add Courses button at the bottom, and we'll do that at a later time. First, look at the header table and look at each field. If you click on the field at the top, it will sort by that field. Let's try clicking on the course header. After clicking once on the course header, it will organize the courses based on their prefix and course number. Next, to the far right of the table, notice there is a Classify section. This is where different classifications can be assigned to the courses that have been taught. It will say 1 of 2 if one of the classifications has been chosen and not the second. It will say 2 of 2 if all classifications have been assigned. Note that numbers may vary as well as what options you have to choose. This is all decided by your institution. Click on the first Classify link on the right side of the table. After selecting, the Classify course section window will appear. There, you will see all the classifications that your institution has chosen. In this page, there is a service learning course component and a publicly displayed component. Click on the top question mark in order to look at more help information for this classification. The help information that you see in the window is all created by the institution. This is customized based on what information they are trying to receive. Once you're done, you can click Close or OK. Notice that when I click the second question mark, there is no additional information for me to read. This is because the institution has not filled out this help info. Once you are finished, click Save to save any changes you made to the Classify Course section window. Notice that on the left-hand side of the screen, there's a Group Courses checkbox. By clicking on 2 courses with this checkbox and then clicking the Group button below, you can group courses that are the same. For instance, at the bottom, there are 2 CIS 690 courses. They are just different sections. So let's try grouping those courses together in order to combine the information. After you check the boxes next to the respective courses, click the Group button below and group those courses together. After you group the courses together, the page will reload and you can scroll down to see the courses now in one row. If you want to ungroup the courses, there will now be a plus button next to the row. If you click that plus button, it will ungroup those courses into 2 separate rows. You can also tell that courses are grouped by the course number row. There, an asterisk will appear instead of a section number. After clicking the plus sign, the page will load again. Again, if your institution allows you to add courses, in the teaching section there will be an Add Courses Taught button. If they have not allowed this setting, then you will not see this button and you will not be able to add additional courses. In this example, we will practice adding some additional courses using this Add Courses Taught button. After you click on the Add Courses Taught button, the Add Courses Taught window will appear and show a number of fields that you can fill in to add information to your teaching section. Notice that the required fields have asterisks, and that there's additional fields that may not be present in your form, or you might have fields that may not be present in the form that you're viewing now. The prefix in this example is the department or unit that the course is housed in. Scroll through and select the relevant course. Next, you must add a valid course number, meaning that the course has already been uploaded to the courses for the institution. Next, add a valid section number. Continue through the Add Courses Taught window to add the rest of the necessary information. Once finished, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. If the course number that you've entered is not already in the system, you will receive an error message. This one says invalid course. Click OK and go and fix the course number. After you've added the correct course number, click Save or OK. After that, you'll be able to scroll to the teaching section and see all of the courses that are currently added. You may click in one of the boxes to the right of the course title and alter the numbers that appear. Click on the 0 in the teaching load that we forgot to add and modify it to the correct number. Now let's scroll down and add some course attachments. Click on the Add button to add a new course attachment to the course that we just entered. After you click the Add button, the Course Attachments window will launch. Here, you'll be given a number of options to upload additional files to your course. First, choose the attachment type. If you choose to add a URL, you will be able to type a URL into the text box and attach it to your courses taught. When you are finished adding all the necessary information, go and click the Upload button. After clicking the button, the page will load and you can scroll down and view the course attachments. Click on the number next to the corresponding course in order to view all attached files. After you click the number, a window will launch and show all attached files. Here, you can preview or view them or delete them. And that was our faculty input video on adding taught courses. If you have any questions, please direct them to your point of contact who will escalate them to the Faculty 180 support team. Thank you.